Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get free diamond in Papaya Live. Just by following the steps of this video tutorial you're gonna get the modified version of the app. Firstly, if you see here, I have unlimited diamond. Now that gives you unlimited let me show you how it's done. The app, you're going to be downloading it in this website, which is in show of this video. So here it is, the modified version of Papaya Live that gives you unlimited free diamond. Let's go. You need to open your browser and then go to this website, then go to the download button and tap on the download button to start downloading the app. Once you download the app, I'm going to show you what you need to do now next, but to start the download you need to tap on the download file button, and that is going to start with the download. I'm going to show you what you need to do next to get the unlimited free diamond every time you open Papaya Live. So here it is, the app is already installing. Close the app entirely, shut it down, and then just open it again, and then you're gonna get all the free diamond on your Papaya Live account. So here it is, let's just wait together and see if I'm gonna get them or not. Okay, so you can see here I'm getting all the diamond injected in my account. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't hesitate to go and try it yourself to get unlimited diamond on your Papaya Live account. Have a good day, enjoy the diamond and enjoy the modified app.